Hello, this is Jeff Kelly, and in this video today, I am going to talk about how you can protect yourself from theft in a Chapter 13. So, what you need to do, what everyone should do in any Chapter 13 case, is set up an account, an online account with ndc.org. This is very important because it will allow you to see, number one, all of the proof of claims that have been filed in your case, and number two, any money that's been paid by you or your employer, you can see that it's been received by the trustee. And this is important. Now, let's go over proof of claims first. A proof of claim is a document that's going to be signed under oath by one of your creditors. And in this document, it's going to state how much they say you owe. It's going to obviously have their identity. It's going to have supporting documentation with it as well. And it's very important that when you are in an active Chapter 13 case that you monitor this and make sure that these claims are accurate. If everyone just sits back and does nothing, it is possible that a false claim could get paid in your case. Now, it's pretty rare for someone to mess up and file a claim incorrectly, but sometimes they do. Sometimes they get the wrong person. In super rare cases, some people are thieves and they don't care about federal law, and those kind of people usually end up in jail at some point because the federal government takes the bankruptcy system very seriously and they do work very hard to protect it from thieves. So again, if you are in an active Chapter 13 case, you need to be looking at all those claims. Now, all of my clients, we look at every claim that comes in, every single one of them, and we match them up to your petition. And if it doesn't match, we're going to call you and say, hey, what's going on here? Did you forget something? Or is this real? What is this? Now, what happens when a creditor just misses the deadline? It's 70 days after your case is filed. What happens if they miss the deadline to get their proof of claim filed with the bankruptcy court? Well, the answer is, in a lot of cases, they're just not going to get paid. And this could be great. For example, let's say you had a car that got repossessed a few years ago, and the creditor sued you and obtained a $10,000 deficiency from that. Well, if they don't file that claim is not going to get paid. Now, sometimes this could be a bad thing. Let's say you owe the IRS $10,000. And let's just say this is money that we could never get rid of in a bankruptcy case. And if we don't pay him in the bankruptcy case, then you're going to end up with this huge debt that grows with interest and penalties and blah, blah, blah. And we want it to get paid in the Chapter 13 case. Well, in a situation like that, number one, we're going to want to contact the IRS and say, hey, come on, guys, hurry up. We want you to get paid. File the claim. Or in a really unusual situation, we might file the claim for them because we want to make sure the money goes to the right place. Now, I want to talk about employment deduction orders. A lot of people in Chapter 13 cases, their employer will take the money directly out of the paycheck and send it into the trustee. This is very convenient. This is the best way to do it if you can. It increases the chances of success in your case because every time you get paid, the money's automatically coming out and boom, it's going to the trustee. But every now and then, it's rare, but every now and then we have an employer who will take money out of your paycheck and fail to send it in. How do you catch them? You set up an account with ndc.org and you can see the money coming in. Years ago, I remember a case, it was back in 2008, the last time we had an economic downturn, things got tight for this employer and he withheld a lot of money and he didn't send to the trustee, and we ended up having to sue him and go through all kinds of trouble to get a judgment against him. But we did, and so it's real important that you monitor your case, and I encourage everyone, anybody who's in an active Chapter 13 case, go to www.ndc.org. The directions on the website say that it'll take you less than 5 minutes. You just need your full legal name, your social security number, the name of your trustee, and you'll have it set up in minutes. Very, very, very important. If you've got any questions, call my office, 770-881-8449. Thank you.